You're watching Market Fatafat on ET now. Let's keep it going with all the stocks that have been buzzing in trade today. Let's talk about JS Infra. We're keeping the spotlight on this one today because Motilal Oswal has initiated coverage on JS Infra. Target price of around 300 rupees. Buy rating is what they've given. Now, what they're saying is that it's the fastest growing port infrastructure company with a focus especially coming in on increasing market share. So that's something that will work out well. Strategic location of the port to support the long-term growth, diversified operations in terms of the cargo profile, geography as well as assets are something that are key positives as well. They've demonstrated the project development, execution and operational capabilities are doing quite well in terms of the performance there. So they expect a revenue growth in terms of CAGR of around 21% over FY 23 to 26 as well, and well positioned in terms of seizing the growth opportunities that come in. JS Infra, that's why is in focus after Motilal Oswal initiates coverage, 2% uptick as of now.
Yeah, so Torrent Pharma today, in fact, if you were to see Torrent Pharma, then Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, all are outperforming and hovering around their recent high level. So Torrent Pharma's setup is quite convincing. For last 4 consecutive weeks, it is consolidating in the range of 2680 on the downside 25660. So it looks like that the volumes are suggesting that it is headed higher, and it is likely that it will give a breakout from the last 4 weeks narrow consolidation. The level which I see as a resistance is around 2660. Once we see this stock crossing this level 2660, that will end up as a breakout from the consolidation, and again the stock will be in the blue sky territory, uncharted territory. So quite convincing setup on the short-term charts, and the support I see is around 2560. So that support can be used or utilized as a stop loss for the traders. So overall sector has been performing well. It has been resilient in this last couple of sessions. So I think the setup is quite convincing, and one should look for the long opportunities, and the stop loss for the traders would remain at 2560, and about 2660 we may see a momentum coming back in the stock after a couple of weeks consolidation.